Alright boys, I'm undercover recording on my phone right now. We're doing something very important. I can't flip my camera around, but let me flip it around like this. See that? We are going for a little test drive, but shh, I'm trying to stay low-key and undercover so that people don't look at me like I'm funny. This is it. Are we gonna add another Subaru to the family? Who knows? Let's find out. Shit. Damn boys, okay, look at this. You got Sleepy Landon in the back seat, no dealer person, and you got Sneaky in the front seat. You're not as nervous as driving my car, are you? No.
Yes, it's nervous.
You're driving faster in this car than you were in my car.
Well, think about this. You've been driving for like a lot of years and you've only ever crashed like once.
You think she's gonna hit somebody, Mom? Like, you're fine. Just like, I guess it's understandable. Being nervous like that is very understandable because, you know, it's not your car and it does belong to the dealer. And we thought the lady was gonna come with us because she's like, oh, I'll sit in the back seat. And we're like, oh, there's some squirrely brakes. She's like, I'll sit in the back seat and, you know, like, okay, whatever. And then she fucking, hi. And then she fucking, she just, what? She's like, let me know I'll see you guys when you get back. So we're like, okay, well, let's go for a test drive. And now here we are. Nikki driving the STi and I'm just chilling right here. Those are some squealy ass brakes.
Ugly.
If you buy this car, then you're gonna have to tell them to replace these fucking brakes. I do have extra brake pads at home actually, but tell them, hey, give me some new brakes free. Bitches! Look at that beautiful takeoff. I'm telling you, Nikki's the smoothest female snake shift driver I've ever met in my life.
You turn right?
Yeah, turn right. She's so smooth at driving, it's fucking ridiculous. Woo! This isn't a joyride, people. This is a test drive, by the way.
I like sand.
I hate the sand.
At one point in my life, I had a phobia.
Did you actually?
Not a phobia, but I'm scared.
This dude on a cool bike. Is this a sign? I don't know. Wait and see. So what did we just do?
Just bought a car. I'm here.
I'm here. We may or not have just added another Subaru to the team.
I'm so excited.
Fucking fresh engine. This thing literally just got a brand new engine from the Subaru dealership too. So fresh engine, fresh transmission. Everything's brand new on it. And this is the generation that Nikki wanted. This is the one you wanted. The beautiful ass front end. Clean interior. Landon likes the doors because there's window covers on the windows.
I approve.
He doesn't like my doors because, you know, the GDs, there's no thing up top when you open the door. It's just a blank window. I look really white right now. I look pale. I don't know why. But yeah, we bought another Subaru. Look, here comes the lady again. Yes, we just bought a new Subaru. So, what are we gonna do now?
Lots of work to do.
Lots of... See, I didn't even say it. I didn't even say it. But you got lots of work to do. First thing we gotta do is pull these mud flaps off, pull the front plate off, pull the rear plate frame off because we don't want dealer plate frames on this thing. Black out the headlights. Get a front lip.
Fix that hood scoop.
Fix that hood scoop because it's painted black and we don't want that. We're gonna paint it World Rally blue, match the car. Lower the car, maybe get some wheels later. These tires look fresh. You can keep the tires and just get a new set of wheels. But lots of stuff to do. What are we gonna do right now?
Go home.
We're going to Jesse's store now.
Oh yeah, we can go.
We're going to my brother's house. Damn! Look at that Subaru behind us, Landon. Look at that Subaru behind us. Ah, looks good.
I wonder who it is.
I wonder who's in that blue STi behind us. It's definitely not us because we're driving my silver one. Hi everybody, it's Mickey Mouse. I'm creeping on you guys. Hi.
Cocaine's a hell of a drug.
Hey little lady, how you doing? Tattoos and body piercing? Next, open your bag. Show us what you got. Show me. I haven't recorded shit today, really. Except for that Mickey Mouse thing. Where do you need to put those on is the real question.
I want to put them on now.
Do it. Where are we getting the car? Oh, beautiful. So beautiful. I love these things, dude. I hope so. Oh yeah, Grimmy's is getting a piercing, by the way, with Grims. What up? Grimmy, what do you have in the bag, Grimmy? Just the solution?
Yeah.
Oh my.
I guess a blood cup, I guess.
A blood cup?
So when I bleed out, I'll be...
Spoiler alert, this is Grimmy's first piercing ever. Look at me. Insecure piercings. Meow. Bring it on,
Number 8
Sneakies.
and number 9.
That's not us.
We should hash.
Moment of truth for Grimmy's. He's scared.
I'm gonna die today.
He's scared,
Just
dude.
for
I'm like,
YouTube.
piercings aren't even bad. I have piercings. Nikki has fucking gauges. Grimmy's has no piercings. He has a virgin body. No piercings, no tattoos. But today, we changed that.
You can change anything.
Exactly, including your whole life. It's just one of those days. We came out to come visit Grimmy's again. What are you looking at?
Yeah, that's like a Helix, right?
What?
That one looks like a nice Helix.
Oh yeah, it's pretty cool, huh? I thought about getting in the piercing. Nick used to mention I should get a fucking conch, and I'm still thinking about it, but when we got here, line was dead. You go outside, how many people do you think are in line? Like 10?
Like 10 people.
10 people in line. I'm like, I don't know if I want to wait anymore.
You're just cutting me off. I want to.
I might do that. I mean, when Grims gets his, I'm like, hey, you want to give me something too?
We can always bring you for the next adventure.
True?
Yeah. Content?
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 Yeah.
Thinking about it. I don't know. I do kind of want something else. I feel too, like, naked. That's something right here, a little conch ring. Would be nice.
So I'll get you cleaned up real quick, I'll mark it, and then I'll let you check it out. We can do it if you like it, okay?
He's nervous as hell, in case you can't tell.
This mask is way
Go right ahead. So we got this side, yeah?
The process right now. How's that feel, Grimmy? He's nice and cold? I'm relaxing. He's hyperventilating now. How long have you been piercing here for?
I've been piercing for 10 years now.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I've been doing it for a while.
See, he knows what he's doing, Grims. Don't be scared. Professional.
Okay, check that out. You let me know which side you like better than me right there. You see how your ear folds more on this side?
Yeah.
I would actually even do this side because your ear doesn't fold like that, but that's up to you. If you really care about what that was in the past, it's quick. Because when I relax your ear, you see how it's like folded right here?
Yeah.
So that's the thing about your ear, but it's totally up to you. I made 2 dots. You let me know if you like any of those.
I think I'll take the right
The
time.
right side? Cool. Yeah, it's just your ear folds a little bit like that, so I don't want it to look all weird with the jewelry.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. You see, Grims, you're breaking the stereotypes here, baby. Let's go.
We're gonna go on this side real quick. Alright, camera crew, you ready?
I'm ready.
Alright, you ready, Justy? Cool. Let's take a nice deep breath in and blow it out. Perfect. Piercing all done. That's it.
That's
I'm
it.
just gonna be putting in jewelry and you're all good to go.
How do you hear it feel, Grims?
Oh, this throat sounds funny.
We just finished already. Yeah.
Okay, you gotta get video.
Yeah, we got it in the video here.
Like a 1 second video.
Or you can always get your second one, you know?
Yeah, you could get the other one. We told him to get both. You sure you don't want both? You can, Grimmies.
Alright, boss, check it out here. Of course. Cool, yeah?
Wow. That was
Now, you sure you don't want the other one?
oh, dude.
Well, whenever you're ready, we'll be here. I'm here Friday through Monday. You can always request from me.
Oh, we come here
Perfect.
often now.
Alright, boss,
Yeah.
you guys are all set.
We meet again, Nessie. She's like, no, let me go, Grimmies, let me go. Where did she go? Look at Nessie, so scared. As we spot a wild Nessie, looking for food, it appears. This is Nessie in her natural habitat. Look at her. She doesn't realize we're here yet. She's keeping an eye on Grims, because she doesn't notice us. This is perfect. Not very many people can get a view of a wilderness. Oh, I think she spotted us. She's not paying very much attention though. Right back to the kibbles. You don't see these wild animals out too often. This is perfect. She spotted us. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Yes, we did. Maybe asking yourself, why did you guys buy another STi if you already have an STI? Why did I buy another STI if we already have an STI?
Because I wanted one.
Because it's for her. It's her car. Nikki bought the STI herself. That is really the reason. Like, if for most of you that don't know this, Nikki's actually been wanting an STI for a really, really long time. It goes back
Like 10 years.
10 years. Nikki's been wanting an STI, and now she just finally fucking committed and bought one. This particular STI, 2013 model. They literally just installed a brand new engine at the dealership. The chassis has like 73,000 miles, and the engine has like 52 miles on it when we picked it up. Fresh engine, free warranty on that. It should be covered by Subaru of America, I would think. Plus extended warranty. She's not really gonna modify it much. Downpipe maybe, intake, access port, equilibrium tuning, dyno tune. I just had to throw that out there because you guys know I love EQ. Shout out Patrick, my boy Patrick. Go talk to him, hit him up at EQ if you need your tuning next. And the EQ's in Fairfield. If you're in the Bay Area and you need a tune, go to EQ Tuning. Ed knows what the fuck he's doing. He's tuned my cars multiple times and always gets solid results. And tuned my friend's cars, Drix. I know he's tuned your car. I was there when I took you when we went to go get your car tuned. But that's literally the only reason why. Like he's been wanting an STI. Now she has an STI.
Dreams come true.
T. That's it. So we wrap this up. We made you wait this long just to hear that story. I don't know what else to say. And if you're wondering why the footage looks a little different, you have to wait for a future video to find out why. Goodbye.